This is a how-to video for the Navien NPN-160U. I'm installing this exterior mounted on the side of a house. It's got a new vent hood that needs to be installed. So I have made it all the way through steps 1 through 5. So I have already taken off the screws for the bracket. I've already removed this jumper cable from here. I put on the gasket here. I reinstalled the bracket. They have you where that piece was connected up here. You just plug in this little wire that they give you. I'm now on the freeze protection part, step number 5, which is remove the connector from the water heater to the freeze protection sensor that is attached to the heat exchanger. And so you're looking at this thing and you're like, where is this wire? It's unmarked, of course. So this is this is provided with the vent hood. This is the, you just sink a screw up into the bottom of it, you mount it, there's already a hole down there for it. And then you've got this black wire that comes up here and you're looking around, where does this plug in? So the wire they're referring to, which is unmarked, is going to be this black wire coming out right there, and it comes out and it connects into this red wire here coming off of the big black tube. So what you're going to do, I'm going to have to put down my phone to do this, and all I did was I disconnected the red wire from that black wire, which is now hanging out. This comes down, and I'm going to have to put down the phone again to do this, and voila. Let's get this in focus. And that's it. You've got your red wire coming off the black there, and it connects into your new freeze protection sensor. So you've connected that wire, and then you have to set dip switch, not these ones. There's dip switches under there. You gotta set this one, and it's gonna be tricky. You can spend the time in unmounting this thing and pulling it out, but the quickest thing to do, I have my little handy dandy dentist mirror. I look in there and I go, okay, dip switch 3. It's the third switch down. You can see I've already switched it to on, which is pushing it. You get there, it's the third one down, and you just push it away from you. Push it in. That sets it to on. You're ready to continue your installation of the new vent hood.